Welcome to the Wrigley floor plan. This beautiful two-story home includes 4 spacious bedrooms, with the master and 1 additional bedroom located on the first floor and 2 additional bedrooms on the second, 3 full bathrooms, a large open-concept kitchen with a large pantry and a cozy dining room, and a generous family room with a corner fireplace, all that interact perfectly with the outdoor covered patio. The master suite of the Wrigley, located on the first floor, includes a private bathroom retreat with a separate shower and soaker garden tub, dual vanities, and 2 huge walk-in closets. This incredible new home also features a spacious upstairs loft, as well as a walk-in laundry room, plenty of extra storage, and a 2-car garage. And because Lennar is the only home builder in Nashville to offer everything's included homes, the Wrigley also includes all of the energy features, kitchen appliances, and luxury designer upgrades that you've come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home, or for directions to any of our Premier Nashville Communities, visit lennar.com.